Good morning from a cold but relatively mild Glencoe. I should probably turn the camera around, but first, before I do that, I'll tell you about last night. I managed to sleep. I woke up 3 times, which is a win, because I just can't sleep in the van. I've got to rip everything out of the van and redo it because it's just very uncomfortable. So we stayed along this road here, which sadly is a little bit noisy, as you could probably hear, but the scenery ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Just set the camera up just to get a time lapse. It should be quite a good one. Sadly, I didn't get up in time. I think I was taking advantage of the sleep that I got, but I feel a lot better for it. When I actually walked up here, without thinking about it, I was coughing. And as I come up here, there was some deer just about here. There's 3 red deer. If I had been a little bit quieter, I could have got them on video. I did film one with the GoPro, but they'd be miles away from it. Probably won't even pick them up. But yeah, let's have a look at this scenery. Absolutely stunning. Tomorrow, snow is forecast every day till next weekend. So on the higher ground, like here, it will definitely be snowing. And if you actually look about where that car is, you can see the mountain in between this sort of ridge line and this foreground is kind of like a white colour. Which way are we going? That way. All here is a white colour. It's actually snow coming down, so we might actually get some snow today. Good morning. From, well, just outside Rannoch Moor and not far from Glencoe. So this morning we're going to head to the Skyfall location. Now, I don't normally do the touristy things, but I'm a massive James Bond fan, so that's somewhere where we are going to go without a doubt. And we'll try and recreate the scene like everyone does when they go there, and get some epic drone shots and some time lapses as well on the way up. So hopefully, it's Monday. Hopefully there's not many people there. I would imagine it does attract quite a bit of attention. So anyway, less talking.
More going.
More exploring. All right, let's do it. What are you doing on the floor?
My knees are hurting.
Your knees?
Yeah.
Keep going. To the van. Car coming. Go on then, down to the van. Run. you want me to carry it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Why don't you get in it?
No.
Go on, get in it. I'll pull you.
Don't let go.
I won't.
Please.
Sit down.
Don't let go.
Put your feet in. How was that?
This
good?
is great.
This is what?
This is great.
Yeah? You enjoying it? Great.
Yeah.
Go on then. Try again.
Okay.
How was that?
Again! Stay at the bottom though this time and film me.
Yeah?
Yep.
Hey, here she goes! Out of control! Have you been drinking my beer?
No, I think I got drunk from my own drink.
A very fast Amika. Is she going to keep control? Is she going to do it? You did it!
Look at my dad.
I have no control over it at all. Too small! Oh no! Crashed already! That's not going to plan. It's too small. I can't control it. Alright, we're off. I have no control over this at all. That's the only way to stop. Wow, that's good fun. Enjoy that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's go find somewhere to
Watch
park.
it, watch it. Oh!
Brilliant, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Alright, Amika's on her way down here. I don't think she's going to make it though. Well, she might. Here she comes. Straight into something else. She's going to hit these people now because she comes. Go on, big one. Uh-oh, that's going to hurt. Cover the private parts. Oh, you missed!
But this is heavy.
Don't go too close, please. Go on then, trick it. Ah, Jesus, that was ice. So this is the place we found on the map. It's a little circular car park, and
You might not be able to see it.
whoa, that's a big hole. Yeah, it might not be the best for you, but in fact, let's put on the bigger lights. There we go. So each one one of these little parking bays got a, whatever that's called, a bench.
Yeah. Bench and table.
Bench and a table. And we found 2 places to park, which were, when we came down here before, which was that one I think, and then this one up here. This one looks pretty good. There's a big puddle there though. Is there another one? No, that was it, wasn't it? Alright, I know you can't see me, but we're in the middle of a forest. She can't see me. Open the door. The dinner is served, madam.
Thank you.
You alright?
Yeah.
It's not too cold, is it really, here, considering we were just playing in the snow?
Yeah.
Right, you ready for some food?
Yep.
Let's do it. Got anything else to take apart from, yeah?
Yeah. I love the snow.
Alright, yeah, we're in literally, I know you can't see anything, but we are in the, well, obviously, we're in the middle of a forest and it is pitch black. So I'm just going to get some food on the go now. We're going to have some chicken fajitas.
As I chose.
And she chose. Alright, let's get in the van.
Yes.